Hey guys, it's Miss Lark again. Just one more quick video about organizing your Google Drive. So if you did use Google Drive last year or in any point in elementary school in Fairfax County, you might have a lot of documents just hanging out here or folders. And I just want to give you some tips on how to clean that up and make it a little bit neater. First of all, some of you might have at the top here your most used or your most recent documents. Personally, for me, that drives me a little bananas. If you like it, by all means, keep it. But the problem is you can't move those documents anywhere. It's just there for you to have quick access to. If you want to get rid of that, if you click on the gear wheel here, the settings wheel, and go to settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you will have this box checked, make relevant files handy when you need them in quick access. That will already be checked for you. If you don't want to see that quick access, just uncheck it and then you can click done and it'll go away, and that will get rid of that bar up here with all those documents up top. And in case you also didn't know, some people like looking at the grid view like that, and some people like looking at the list view. I'm personally a list view type person, but again, you can change however you see it with this button over here. So to create a folder, you just have to go to New, and then the very first option is Folder. You can create folders. You could title them, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade. You could title all of your documents that you have in their elementary school, and then you can put everything into that folder. So if you titled it elementary school, let's spell things right. Hello, English teacher. So let's say all of this stuff was elementary school for me. You can just drag it and drop it into the folder. Okay. Or you could do the highlighting if you want, which involves it's too much to tell you on here because I can't show you on my keyboard. So anyway, you can just click on the folders and drag and drop them in there, okay? And that way you can have everything organized and you can start off your drive fresh and neat and clean for middle school. You can also create folders for the upcoming year if you want to make an English folder and a history folder and a science folder, math folder, whatever you want to make. You could also do that. There's a really loud airplane going overhead right now. So you can do that, but again, by just doing New and Folder and creating those folders. You can also change the color of your folders. If you right-click on the folder, you can change the color to whatever you want, make it more fun to look at. And that's pretty much it for organizing here. Again, it does help if you start middle school off with a nice clean slate where it's just, you can keep all your elementary school stuff. I think that's a good idea in case you ever need any of that information back, but I think it is a good idea to start off with a clean Google Drive when you start.